Hi students, hope you have seen Learn Morse Code in 10 day 1 video properly, thoroughly. If you have not seen this video, day 2 is absolutely useless for you. Kindly go through day 1 exercise first, and once you have a confidence, then you come to day 2 exercise, then you will learn. So ready? Okay, continue please.
So, first practice of the day one. The letters were E, I, S, H, T, M, O, and A, U, V. E, I, S, H, T, M, O, A, U, V. Now, first guess the letters. Ready to guess? E, I hope you have not done any mistake. Still, I hope you need a more revisions. So please guess the letters again. Yeah, at present you have only 10 letters and slowly you are going to add more letters. If you are still in doubts, you can't go ahead. So you need full confidence. So it is good to try one more time. Yeah, okay, it was a practice piece. Now, on your paper, it is advisable to close your fan and other noising items. Be cool, patience, increase your slightly volume, and you have to write it. This exercise of 10 letters EISHTMOAU will be run for continue 5 minutes. So you have to be calm for 5 minutes. Ready to write on your paper with pen? Okay, go. Yeah, end of the exercise. As the examination will be on 8 watt per minute, you have to at least maintain this speed. Below this speed, not advisable. So now check yourself. First letter is first letter word group is E I E M E M I M I A H I M S M A M I M A T H E O I. So next group is T E M I T M H V T E E T V H M E T V H M A I S O U. Third line group UOVST, AISOU, MHVTE, IMASO, MHVTE. Next line group SEMIH, IMASO, ETVHM, MVHIS, SIHVM. And last word group AHTOE, UOVST, OUSIA, SATUM, ASVOU. I hope you have not done more than one mistake, otherwise, you need again practice. So, going further, now next group is NDB. This group of letters leading single da set reverse of the previous group AUV. How? See, N is equal to da dit, D is equal to da di dit, B bravo, da di dit. Clear to you? First, listen carefully. N, da di, now D, da di dit, now bravo, da di dit. Space you see on your screen, how you have to maintain. Now listen very carefully. Listen once again. NDB group, listen one more time so that it have in your mind how these letters are listened. Okay, now you have to guess the letters. Okay, only NDB. N, again N, it is D, again D, it is bravo, B. Now I am not going to speak, you have to speak. Ready? Go. Don't try to count the D and it, and don't try to write dits and dashes. Just try to remember the style of sound coming. It will help you to learn. Just listen the style of sound rhythm and try to recognize the letter. That is a good way. Continue in guessing. Go. So now 1 minute, one line exercise only and DB. This line will start with CD bar and with AR bar so that you can understand the line is starting and line is ending. Ready? Go. Okay, last one was AR bar, end of the message. This speed you have to maintain somehow. Now check your answers. It is NB, DNB, ND, BND, DN, BDB, DN, DDN, BD, NBN. Check once again whatever you have received. I am playing audio again for you. Sending Morse code again. Ready? Check, cross check. Hope this NDB exercise is clear to you. Now it is a time to go for a long practice of 3 minutes. This is only NDB. Very carefully. Ready to write on your papers? Go. Okay, this is end of the exercise. I hope now you are ready, you are in comforts. So first group is coming on your screen. Check yourself. NDDBN, NBDDD, DNNNB, BBBBB, NDDND, BNBDD, NNBBB, NBNNB, NNDDB, BDBBN, and last line DNNDD, DDDNN, BNNBB, DBNBD, DNDBD. I hope you have not done even a single mistake. It is required because further more letters are coming. It is not acceptable. So now it is day 2, first practice of all 13 letters. Here don't do any mistake because it is a practice page. You have to guess the letters. E, I, S, H, T, M, O, A, U, V, N, D, B. All letters are coming. It is a practice page. Don't do any mistake. Ready to guess? Okay. I'm not going to speak. You have to speak. Same way. Go. Yeah. I hope you have not done mistakes here. Let us have one more practice. Ready? Guess. Concentrate yourself. Now don't do any mistake. One more exercise. Ready? Go. Yeah, it was a practice space. I hope you are in comfort now. So it is a time to write on paper. A 3 minute continue exercise, a 5 minute continue exercise, a long practice now. EISH, TMO, AUV, and NDB. All letters are coming. And one more thing, now you have less time with respect to practice page. Be cool. You want increase volume. Ready? Go on paper. Yeah, check your answers. ATOBM, IMHED, BVSNI, ANSHU, OTUDV. Next line. UBODE, IENHV, SAADO, VHBMU, MSINT, BOBIM, MOAEV, NHEIH, TSADN, UUSDV, IADMB, AOHIN, BSVUT, VDEEM, OSHUT, and last line of the day HHVNE, MSASI, DBTOV, EOUTU, NBDIM. I hope this is today's practice. Somehow you are comfortable here. More exercise I am making available at website. You can see on your screen. I hope you have learned a lot. If you really like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and wait for day 3 practice. This is just my an amateur support for amateur radio community. Have a nice day. See you again. Bye bye.